Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta inspecting schools in the national capital. Rekha Gupta, after visiting hospitals in Delhi, has now visited schools also in Delhi to look at really what the plight is, what is the kind of infrastructure. Now, she's highlighted how there's no water in taps at a government school in the national capital. And the Delhi Chief Minister now essentially conducting these surprise inspections in different parts of the national capital. And you see on your screens there that entire sequence. Let's play it out for you.
यहाँ पानी भी आपने बनाया हुआ है ना, पर यहाँ पानी नहीं आ रहा, क्यों? इसमें भी पानी नहीं है।
अपना काम कर रहे हैं। पूरी मच्छी मार्केट है, चार्जिंग का होता है, तो यहाँ से कई प्रॉब्लम मैम ये है कि पूरी मच्छी मार्केट है, पूरी मच्छी मार्केट डेवलप हो गई है, दूर दूर से लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं। एक चार्जिंग का पूरा बहुत बड़ा इशू है, तो ये तो पूरा क्लियरेंस होना चाहिए।
इसको हटा दें, क्या करना है? कहाँ है बात? थोड़ा साइड क्या है? पीने का पानी है। पीने का पानी है? नो मैम, पीने का पानी इधर नहीं है। पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा? पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा? मैडम पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा? पानी नहीं आ रहा इसमें?
मैम उधर है पानी।
ये किस चीज के लिए है?
ये अंदर ही वॉश बेसिन के अंदर ही।
यहाँ पानी के लिए आपने बनाया हुआ है ना, पर यहाँ पानी नहीं आ रहा, क्यों? इसमें भी पानी नहीं है।
अपना काम कर रहे हैं। आप तो खींच रहे हो।
आज ही पूरी पानी की व्यवस्था यहाँ ठीक होनी चाहिए। हर नल में पानी आना चाहिए। नल जहाँ लगाए इसका मतलब पानी की जरूरत थी ना।
आज ही हो जाए।
आप रहती हैं, आती हैं, अपना अटेंडेंस रजिस्टर दिखाइए। पीने का पानी नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ।
मैम मोस्टली हमारे पानी नई बिल्डिंग में
इसको हटा दें, क्या करना है?
Mishra is joining us live with more details. So on this, several such surprise checks being conducted by the Delhi Chief Minister Piyush, first in hospitals and now in schools as well, essentially putting the spotlight on the AAPS health model, the AAPS education model.
Well, certainly, Akshita, we are now seeing how Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is on inspection of various places. Earlier, she visited Delhi hospitals and now she is there at Delhi government schools. She has visited the girls' senior secondary school in Shalimar village where she has found that there is no water in water taps. So she has also instructed the officials there to ensure that water comes in each and every tap. Remember that the BJP government in Delhi is now trying to expose the claims of earlier government of Aam Aadmi Party, where we have seen many times various leaders of Aam Aadmi Party claimed that they have worked so well on developing Delhi's health infrastructure and also developing Delhi's education model. So now BJP is exposing the problems, the things, those lack there in these infrastructural development, and BJP is saying that in last 10 to 12 years no work has been done in Delhi, and that is what Rekha Gupta is also claiming. She has gone to a government school in Delhi in Shalimar village, which is also...
Stay with me. Let's cut across to live images coming in where Rekha Gupta is also questioning officials on the drainage.
जहाँ पॉट पे पानी नहीं है, ये मॉडल स्कूल है हमारा। आप ही बताइए मुझे ऐसी स्थिति में क्या एक्शन लेने की जरूरत होती है? उसके बाद का मुझे कुछ नहीं देखना। आप पहले ये ठीक कराइए। हटिए आप लोग जी, अधिकारियों से लाइए, बताइए। नंबर जी जी
हम PWD
DDA से कौन है? धमेन जी, DDA से, ड्यूसिप से?
यस मैम, पीके झा प्रिंसिपल डायरेक्टर
रहती है। तो इन मैम को ये नहीं पता कि इन ब्लॉकों में पानी, ये मुझे ये समझाने की कोशिश कर रही है कि मैम यहाँ पानी की आवश्यकता नहीं है, बच्चों को वहाँ हमने पानी दिया हुआ है। तो फिर मतलब पीने का पानी नहीं है, टॉयलेट में पानी नहीं है, जहाँ पॉट पे पानी नहीं है। ये मॉडल स्कूल है हमारा। आप ही बताइए मुझे ऐसी स्थिति में क्या एक्शन लेने की जरूरत होती है। उसके बाद का मुझे कुछ नहीं देखना, आप पहले ये ठीक कराइए। हटिए आप लोग जी, अधिकारियों से लाइए, बताइए मेंबर
गगन तोमर नंबर वापस
जी जी
हम सुपरिटेंडेंट इंजीनियर पीडब्ल्यूडी एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर
कहाँ है बात? थोड़ा साइड क्या है?
Okay, taking this back across to Piyush, you've got the Delhi Chief Minister's schooling authorities there, Piyush, questioning why there's no water in the schools. And you can also see her questioning the authorities, saying, is this your so-called model school, the best school that you have in Delhi?
Well, absolutely. It's an attempt by the BJP government to expose Aam Aadmi Party's education model. Remember that Rekha Gupta, who is on her visit to a Delhi government school, is also seen, asking officials as to why they have not provided water in school. There's no water in water taps. There's no water in washrooms. So there's complete laxity at the part of the officials, and that is why she has also summoned the MCD officials and the concerned officials, and she has directed them to ensure that water comes in water taps and also in washroom. Why it is more serious? Because this visit pertains to a girls senior secondary school, and this area is also Shalimar village, which comes under her own constituency, Shalimar Bagh, and that is why Rekha Gupta is showing a lot of seriousness. She is also trying to expose what the Aam Aadmi Party government used to claim, that they have done so well in education model, in providing better health infrastructure. You would remember, Akshita, that a couple of days back, Rekha Gupta had also visited a Delhi government hospital, GB Pant, where she had gone there in Godon, where she had also visited there and shown as to how the equipment stores were brought during the COVID times. Even they were not used. So the BJP is now exposing what Aam Aadmi Party government used to
Exposing,
claim.
sure,
And now
but there will be
it is
also a question of what now the BJP does to address this lack of infrastructure facilities, whether it's in schools or hospitals. Thanks, Piyush, for joining us with those details.